Hi, Jamie here from Expect Solutions. Following our recent video on Colt SD-WAN, I would now like to delve into a little more detail on one particular element of Colt's SD-WAN portfolio, that being SASE, or Secure Access Service Edge. Business networks have evolved hugely in recent years, particularly in terms of how users are accessing the networks. Remote working used to be an option for a minority, whereas nowadays we have entire business ecosystems operating on a much more varied basis. Workers therefore need the ability to function productively at any time and require secure access to essential workloads and applications regardless of their whereabouts. That's what modern hybrid working is all about, and it's here to stay. A recent Microsoft report indicates that 73% of employees desire to continue with remote working following the pandemic, while 66% of employers are actively looking into rethinking the design of their workspaces to better accommodate hybrid work needs. One of the biggest barriers to success for a hybrid workforce is security. The balancing act is to enable easy access to the enterprise network from anywhere without compromising on network security. Using traditional security tools in conjunction with legacy networking standards, this is just not possible. This is where Colt SASE Gateway can help, as it is equipped to deal with the fluidity and unpredictability of hybrid working patterns. SASE is essentially a series of components that are harmonized in a unified architecture that can support working from home or office on a level playing field, whilst also able to replace existing DDoS security and firewalls within a single solution. SASE security is policy driven and not contingent on the location of the user. It is also open to a range of different device types. Access and security are based on a user's identity rather than a specific physical device or network access point. SASE offers flexibility in where and when security services are applied. Many organizations do currently struggle with a messy mix of security appliances solutions, provisioned all at different times by different departments and all with different needs in mind. SASE can help by providing secure and uniform network access, functioning as a single pane of glass, offering a full view of your network. Any short-term solutions put in place at the beginning of the pandemic, such as legacy VPN connections, will not be up to supporting the complexities of hybrid work longer term. Older solutions created before the cloud era will not protect against the latest threats, are difficult to scale and expensive to operate. These drawbacks will inevitably have a negative impact on your network performance and your business as a whole. New approaches and new technologies are therefore required, either to replace all older solutions wholesale or perhaps just to manage them better and more efficiently under a single platform. And this, of course, is where Colt SASE can fit in as a sustainable solution that is secure and scalable, both in terms of the number of endpoints and geographic reach, as well as cost-effective, easy to manage, quick to set up, and providing a good experience for all types of end user. SASE provides policy-based, software-defined access to work with the most fluid of network fabrics. Network managers are able to specify the level of performance, reliability, and security of every network session based on identity and context, and can define and control the dynamic access requirements that a digital transformation entails, allowing secure connectivity between a variety of distributed users, locations, and cloud locations. Zero trust is the hot topic in secure delivery of business services to the hybrid workforce. Just because a device is on the internal side of a firewall or VPN does not mean it should necessarily be trusted by default, as has been the legacy VPN model. A zero trust approach to the cloud removes trust assumptions when users, devices, and applications connect. By tying end users to business applications with authentication and authorization, as opposed to providing unfettered access to all resources across the network. On top of security services within our SD-WAN portfolio, Colt also partnered with Zscaler to supply cloud-based security services. Zscaler are the market leaders in cloud-based security and have been working with Colt for over a decade now to help provide our customers with a cloud-optimized security service that helps fully unlock the benefits of SaaS and public cloud. Moving away from traditional VPN services can often be seen as a complex process. With Colt and Zscaler, the technology and experience is in place to make your journey to a more modern, secure network a simple one. As your business transforms, security architecture needs to transform with it to maintain compliance and corporate security policy. As applications and data move to the cloud, new security challenges also emerge. On-premise security hardware can be expensive and complex to manage effectively, particularly with a shortage of global cybersecurity staff, and of course the multiple systems required to achieve the protection required. All of these are typically delivered into corporate data centers and headquarters, whilst the data and applications themselves are moving to the cloud and the workforce often working remotely. So it does make little sense to continue to invest in on-premise security solutions. By choosing Colt for your cloud cybersecurity transformation, you can bundle the Zscaler security stack and add on to the Colt network services, thereby benefiting from a complete end-to-end network and security solution. Through Colt IP services, your network traffic will be directed towards a globally distributed Zscaler cloud, providing either a secure web gateway for internet or a secure private gateway to the public cloud. In addition to Zscaler, Colt have formed partnerships with a number of proven leaders within the SD-WAN and SASE markets to ensure that our product portfolio is at the forefront of this industry and able to meet the business demands of all of our organizations. Versa are the leader in SASE and combine extensive security with networking and a full-featured SD-WAN with genuine multi-tenancy, a sophisticated analytics portal either via the cloud, on-premise, or a blended combination of both. VMware are market leaders in WAN edge infrastructure for any size enterprise. VMware SD-WAN enables WAN edge transformation and delivers enterprise IT agility with operational simplicity and efficiency with their industry-leading network and security convergence SD-WAN platform. Having those key partnerships in place enable Colt to deliver a truly integrated approach to networking and security. Colt's global network services are delivered over a highly available and secure network that spans 4 continents with Colt-owned infrastructure in 32 countries, distributed to over 900 data centers and carrier hotels around the world. The remote access feature, one of the first to be based on Versa SASE, builds on the success of Colt's award-winning SD-WAN service to allow remote access without compromising network security, integrity, or performance, and is based on an easy-to-scale, cost-effective model. Colt offers SASE connectivity that is built from the ground up as a true enterprise-grade solution. The result is a wide global footprint combined with massive bandwidth and a software layer designed for both networking and security. As the market continues to evolve, it is important to have a partner with a strong roadmap, and Colt, along with our own partners, together have the resources and skills to make your network connectivity both secure and future-proof. Thank you for watching, and please look out for more videos to come from Expect Solutions.